My brothers and sisters all over the place, we are approaching, or are we already in this Pride Month? وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ. أي pride. Look at the hypocrisy of human beings, and look at the craziness that we have reached. Being proud of what? What exactly are you proud of? People are being proud of their illnesses. They're proud of their sicknesses. They're proud of their deviance. They're proud of their transgression. They're proud of their disobedience. They're proud of their oppression against themselves and against others. Wallahi, it's something that really I'm having a hard time understanding what we have reached as humans. When someone wants to impose on you what pronoun to use in describing them in the name of freedom, while they are stripping you of your freedom of labeling things as they ought to be labeled. This whole concept of I identify as whatever the as is among the most retarded and nonsensical principles in human history. Because this means that I, as an Arab, can say, I could wake up in the morning and say, I identify as a black man. And then I go among black people and say, yo, I'm one of you. I'm black. And I want to use the words that you use amongst each other that others are not allowed to use. And all of you are, you know what I'm referring to. For those of them who like to use that word, using it, not using it, that's besides the point. Is that going to be entertained? Can a white man go to a bunch of black people and use certain slur words that black people don't entertain and say, what's your problem? I identify as a black man. Can I identify as a 15-year-old? I identify as a 15-year-old person with this gender or that gender. And then you now have to treat me accordingly? You have to treat me accordingly? I identify as a vegetable. You have to treat me as a vegetable? What is this? And do you know that, you see, if a woman were to enter a men's bathroom just because of the way men are, no one minds. If there were a bunch of men in the bathroom and a woman entered, they would be like, ahlan wa sahlan. You know, non-Muslims, kuffar, they will see a woman enter in the bathroom. They might even have a quick celebration. But let a man enter a woman's bathroom and it's on. Let a man enter a woman's bathroom and it's on. And the way we're heading, the direction in which we're heading, at some point you cannot stop a man from entering a woman's bathroom. You cannot stop a man from entering a woman's bathroom because he identifies as a woman. And not only that, he forces you to call him she or her. What are you saying, man? Why? Why are humans so wild? You got to stop that. So where do you draw the line? Where do you draw the line? You will not be able to draw the line. It's already chaotic. It's going to get way more chaotic. I've said this in the past. I will say it again. Then you cannot tell a pedophile that you got a problem because that's what he feels comfortable with. That's how he feels normal and natural. And the list goes on. List goes on with no boundaries, no barriers to stop anything and anyone. You know, the situation is today, as I saw on a Facebook post, first we had a normal family. So father, mother, children. Then we had with contraceptives. So it was a father, mother, and one child. Then it was with abortion. So it was just a father and a mother and I don't know, no child. Then there was with divorce, a father alone. And then there's with homosexuals, two fathers. And then now, two fathers with a son. And the son says, I think I'm a girl. Yep. This is where we are right now. You're going to have two fathers and a male boy who's been somehow told that he is a girl and he identifies as a girl. Do you know how corrupt this is for humanity? You know what Allah did to the people of Lut? This is what the people are begging for an asteroid to befall us as a punishment from Allah. You guys know what happened to the people of Lut. Who was it? One of the ulama said, if there were any nation who were to be punished twice, it would be the people of Lut. If any nation was deserving of being punished twice, it was the people of Lut. With all these calamities that they have put forward, even that monkeypox is prevalent among those people. After all this, Pride Month? Pride what? Pride. Shame. It's a shame month. It's a shame upon humanity that we have lost our marbles, that we have lost our connection with our natural instincts, our natural innate, that we've allowed the degradation of humankind to that of animals or even lower in the name of freedom of speech, in the name of freedom of choice. And wallahi, they are the biggest liars, because when it comes to Islam, we have no freedom of choice, no freedom of speech, no freedom of religion, no freedom of anything. They don't even allow women to wear niqab. A woman is not allowed to wear niqab. Do you understand the hypocrisy, ya akhwan and akhawat? It's something that will boil your brain. How do they not allow a woman to wear niqab because she wants to cover herself? But they're allowing all this other nonsense and all this other drama. All this other craziness is allowed, but a woman can't wear hijab in certain countries. People being checked if they pray in the masjid too often. Muslims can't express themselves, can't practice their religion freely. Hello, at least be consistent. Okay, there's no consistency. It's a joke.